Meet the parties: the shipper, the consignee and the carrier. On June 29, 1982, the carrier received at its Hong Kong terminal a sealed container containing 76 bales of unsorted waste paper for shipment to consignee in Manila.
Hey Mr. Shipper, can you ship this container to Manila?
Okay, sir, no problem. In addition, we will cover this with bill of lading.
Hi Miss Consignee. Here is the bill of lading for the shipment.
I will not accept that because your merchandise is in excess of 10 metric tons.
What am I gonna do with these containers? Stupid consignee. Aha, might as well leave these containers here.
I demand payment.
I will not pay you because I did not sign the bill of lading.
Bill of lading delivered and accepted constitutes the contract of carriage even though not signed. The bill of lading is a valid and perfected contract between the shipper, the consignee and the carrier. An alleged overshipment does not justify the consignee's refusal to receive the goods.